Good morning. My name is Manikant. Now I'm going to say about infix to postfix conversion process. So let us go through it. So the conversion of infix to postfix expression can be done elegantly using two distinct functions. So each operator is assigned a value which depends upon whether the operator is inside or outside of stack. Also, the left and right associativity of different operators can be handled by varying its values in the two preceding functions. So let us go through this. It's a very interesting topic and it has a priority order, which is the most important thing in the next step. So let's go through it. So this is the priority order on conversion of infix to the postfix expression. So an expression normally contains asterisk, slash, plus or minus, some power exponential symbols and some other symbols, extra symbols. So there will be some priority order which have been given on conversion from infix to the postfix. So see this, the operators, the precedence, and the value. So the operators, first one, exponential. So it has the highest priority. So it has given a value of 3 and it's the highest priority. And next priority goes to asterisk and the slash. That is the next priority on comparing with exponentials. And thereafter, we'll be going to this plus or minus. There's addition and subtraction. So this is the given as the lowest priority. Let us go to the next. So this is an expression which you are going to convert from infix to the postfix. So see this expression is a plus b asterisk c slash d minus f plus a exponential e. So normally we'll be scanning from the beginning, that is from left to right by one thing. So one alphabet or one character. So the scan symbol is a, and we have cleared it with 4 things, that is scan symbol, stack, output, and the reason where we are keeping in a stack or an output. So this is a process. Now I'm going to show you, explain it clearly, go through it. The symbol scan is a, v, as it's a character, it doesn't have some any operating thing, so we'll be adding directly to output, that is a. Now let's go to the step 2. So see this. Now we got a character, that is plus sign, which is an operator. So we'll be adding this one to the stack. So since we'll be adding, the stack has been added to this. So it is added due to there's the lowest priority than this one. I mean, on keeping comparing to this a. And next we'll be comparing in the order a plus b. So b is the next one. So scan one is b. And thereafter we will be seeing this plus one. This plus is already in the stack, but see this, since it's an alpha and since it's a number, it has no precedence into the stack. So we'll be keeping an output. So this a here and then b here, right? So and now comes the asterisk. So see this, this is the asterisk. Now we are scanning. This is the 4th step that we are in, and see this, the plus and asterisk is the next comes asterisk, because due to the 3 golden rules. Just now we have seen. See this. High asterisk has the highest priority than the plus. So due to this, a lowest priority, highest priority can be in front of lowest priority. So this is the thing, the asterisk is added to the stack, and as it is remaining from previous step, that is AB. Now let us go and add and scan a new one, that is C. So C is scanned now, and there is this is an alphabet. Now let's see the plus and asterisk, it cannot be added to the stack. We will be keeping an output, that is A, B, C. Now let us go to the scanning process. That is, now we have gone to the slash. This is one of the interesting thing now. So since, let us go to the priority table once again. So see this, asterisk and slash are at both same priority. So see this. Now it comes, if we add a slash, the priority has again a priority symbol next to it. So it is an unstable process. So it doesn't accept that one, and due to this, the one, I mean, it will be popping out. So from the stack, the asterisk will be popping out and it is given to the output. And thereafter, the slash is added to it. So that is the star, I mean, the asterisk is added to the output. That is A, B, C, and asterisk. And this slash, which is scan now, is added to the stack now after removing this asterisk. So that is, it becomes plus and slash. And now let us go to the scanning process. Thereafter, it's D, and it is added to this output one because it's not an operator, so it is not added to the stack. So now let us go to the scanning process again. That is minus. Upon scanning minus, that is, it is a stack process which will be done in stack. See this, minus has the least priority. This has least priority. See here, minus has the lowest priority. So see this, due to the highest priority before it, it cannot be added to, I mean, after the highest priority, because highest priority given is a main thing. So after highest priority, there cannot be a lowest priority. So we will be removing this slash, and the slash is added here, but there remains again a place. So let me annotate it clearly for you. So this slash is removed now because, sorry, not this slash. This slash is removed now, and this is gone to here. Now, what about this plus one? This one, since plus and minus are of both same priority, it cannot be stable. Then, so that the place is also pop out and it is added to the output, and that's the reason there is only one thing, that is minus. Now, see to the scanning process. Now go to the scanning process, that is F. So F is added to the output directly, and then the stack is remain constant with the C, which is previous one. Then let's go to the scanning process again. The next one is the plus. So the plus sign will be added to the stack now, but let us compare this one. See here, the minus and plus have the previous one, minus has plus has same priority, so it is not stable. So the minus is popped out from the stack and added to the output. So this is the form A, B, C star D slash plus F minus is the output until now. And next we are going to the scanning process, that is A. So since the scanning process A is added, it is directly added to the output, then it becomes A, B, C star D slash plus F minus A, and the stack remains constant previous one. Now let's go to the scanning process. Here the scanning process, it's an exponential. So this, since it's an exponential and it is an high priority, exponential is the highest priority than all. So after the lowest priority, highest priority can be added, and it is a stable one. So that is, the stack goes to plus and asterisk. Sorry, it's exponential. So A, B, C asterisk D slash plus F minus A is the output till now. And let us go to the scanning process again, that is E. So upon going to E is directly added to the output because there is no thing. And thereafter, since there are no other things to scan from the expiration, so its scanning will be empty. So thereafter, we'll be removing blindly from the stack. So that is, we'll be removing first the exponential and thereafter plus. So total output is A, B, C star D slash plus F minus AE exponential plus. This is the output. This is the postfix expression for this infix expression. So this is the conversion process of converting from infix to the postfix. So the main things we must remember is the highest priority of two things cannot be at a say place, and next highest priority cannot join the lowest priority after it. Lowest priority can join highest priority after it. These are the three golden rules which must be followed, and the biggest golden rule is, we know that it is the priority table. So you must remember the priority table for sure, and the three golden rules just now I said. And thank you so much.